Welcome back, brothers and sisters. I am Braden. This is Langley Outdoors Academy, the place where we not only talk about what's going on in the gun world, but also how we're going to fix it together. And today, I'm going to show you how the gun insurance mandate, the quest for gun control through marketplace forces, is falling flat on its face. You're going to want to see this one. Everything is linked in the description box below, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this one. Now, of course, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn the notification bell on. We distribute freedom twice a day on this channel, and we'd love to have you here find a home for your freedom needs. And thank you so much in advance for your consideration. So, my brothers and sisters, there is nothing better on this planet than when we watch gun controllers blaze forward with policy ideas and amazing, big, bold decisions around gun control, and then the market forces like insurance companies that would actually have to do it go, yeah, we're not doing that for like 18 different reasons. Nothing better on this planet. Let me get going. Let me show you what we're talking about, because reality just hit the gun insurance ownership model right in the face. Can mandatory liability insurance for gun owners reduce violence? These local governments think so. Now, that's how NBC framed this. I believe it's NBC. No, excuse me, CBS. That's how CBS framed this. Again, it's linked if you want to read the entire article. But the entire thing is going down the reasons why this will not work. It has been stalled by judges in both scenarios of where this is passed. And then now the market forces the gun control is trying to basically weaponize are saying, nah, ain't going to happen. This is a big deal, and no one's talking about it yet. Check this out. The idea has been floated for years, and it may seem straightforward enough. If gun owners were required to purchase liability insurance, proponents argue, they would have to follow safe practices to limit their financial and legal risk, thus reducing incidents of gun violence. Only one tiny, small, itty-bitty problem. Criminals are the ones doing the crime. Do you think that they're not going to do a crime or perpetuate a crime because it will violate and drive up their gun insurance fees? I don't think that's going to be part of the equation. Similar concept to, oh, that's a gun control zone? Well, I better not break the law then. They're serious when they say this. It's pretty simple. Anyway, let's keep going. As I mentioned, this has been smoked in two different areas where it's been tried, San Jose and New Jersey thus far. An insurance marketplace, proponents say, would ensure gun owners follow safe practices and avoid risky decisions in order to avoid paying higher premiums or losing coverage similar to an auto or health insurance model. Again, criminals don't care. This is not that difficult. The large lion's share of crime in the United States perpetuated with a firearm is not done by the legal, law-abiding firearm owners. It's done by criminals. So what is an insurance mandate going to do against people who are already breaking the law? It doesn't make sense. Please see earlier sarcastic joke around the premiums. Anyway, let me show you what they're saying here, because this is really important to understand. This is where it hits them in the face. This is outside of the scope of coverage. Some insurance companies currently offer different types of coverage for firearm liability under homeowner, umbrella, and renter policies, but there is not a specific exclusion. However, most insurers do not offer a separate standalone gun liability coverage, and no insurer would provide coverage for illegal or criminal acts such as mass shootings, which is the very thing that these gun controllers who are saying mandating insurance for gun ownership in the United States beyond the violation of the Second Amendment would do. Reality is a brutal teacher. But I got two more things for you, because this is where the actual vice presidents of the entire mutual insurance says this ain't happening for your pleasure. John Schnotz, Assistant Vice President of State Affairs for the National Association of Mutual Insurance Companies, that is not a small organization, a trade association representing insurance companies, told CBS News that he did not, quote, see a role our industry can play in underwriting gun policies. In a 2013 brief, NAMIC counsel wrote, quote, from the start, the issue has been more of a public relations phenomenon than an earnest policy debate. Even the insurance companies that the left is saying would follow through with this whole plan and bring down crime are saying we're not going to cover crime, we're not going to do these policies, and that ain't happening. What idea you got next? because you keep setting them up, we're going to keep knocking them down on this channel of freedom. And the last thing, and this is I'm going to show you that proves the entire point again from the same guy. Schnott said, aside from some negligence or accidental acts, a vast majority of firearms-related injuries are intentional, and that falls outside the scope of insurance coverage. Similar to not covering a house that was burned down by arson, insurance wouldn't be able to cover firearm murders or suicides. So what is the point? Why are gun controllers continue to bring this forward if even the insurance companies are going, that's not happening? This is more about a PR campaign than actual policy debate, because that's what the gun control debate has become. The left makes some ostentatious demand, we rally and us align to it and destroy it, and then they do another one. It's almost like they're doing it just for fundraising because they know it's not going to take wind. It's almost like that's the model. Anyway, wrapping this whole thing up, let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this was pretty much shot down right where it stands in the water? It's floating. It's not even floating anymore. It's sinking. It's on the way down. It's crashing and burning, and we're looking forward to the next one? Or do you think I'm way off? Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you on the next one. I'm Braden. See you later.